Good morning from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We are at the Lodge Outlet store and we are about to do a chili cook-off?
A
bean cook-off?
So
okay.
Not just chili, could be anything with beans.
So it's been a while since we've done one of these.
It should be a gas.
So you can see here, everybody's getting ready and the sun is right in my eyes, but all these tents, and there's some fierce competition. So join us on this adventure to see who's got the best bean recipe in the area. Join us, shall you?
You shall.
You can see here's the Lodge cast iron store, and they have all these tents set up. There's the wheel for the island. So there's 10 different tents, and we're one of these. I think that's our tent. Yeah, there's our tent. So we're competing amongst 9 others that I am a little intimidated by because there's some serious competition here.
So as a team, we decided we were gonna make German chili, which is a family favorite of ours. And as you can see here, are all the ingredients that go into it. We had our little cook area here and a table, which was really nice. We had a really nice area to chop and cook and do everything that we needed to do on this awesome camping stove. So we started out with some onions, chopping those up, some garlic, got everything cooking here in our wonderful Lodge cast iron pot. And then we added in all of our sausage. We've got some crumbled sausage and some kielbasa. And then we added our delicious wine, German wine. And then I realized my pot was not big enough. So I actually had to go into the store and get a second one. So I had enough food, which I was a little worried about, but I actually needed a second pot. And here we added in our beans, which you had to have beans in your recipe in order to enter. And added in some sauerkraut, tomatoes.
All right, so we're serving out some samples. Here's the final product. It's absolutely delicious. So we've got people out here coming by the table, trying out. It's a very nice day. Oh, Mike is in there helping out too. Getting some samples. All right, setting our samples out for the taste testers. Looking good, good job. All right, so here's Beyond the Lens. They have a black bean burger. Mike is gonna test out here. So a little black bean. It's kind of like a veggie burger. It's good?
Yes.
Does it look like a little mini burger?
Yes.
Let's go try another one too. All right, so here's some rowdy redneck beans.
I mean, what all it is, it's just an exhibit of what you can do.
Yeah, it's a bean cook-off.
Oh, it's a bean cook-off.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Rowdy redneck beans. I don't know, what do you think? Good?
You got a vote?
Just a whole different beans and chips. That looks like chicken. You get some beans and chicken and chips. So he gave the last one a 6, I think. So 0 to 10. What would you give this one?
Maybe a 6.
Maybe a 6. Try out some more. So we're just going from each table. There's 10 different ones, including our own. Tasting all these different wonderful recipes, and we'll vote on what we think is the best. All right, just finished another one. This one had cornbread in it. It was pretty good. All right, you ready to go try another one? All right, let's go get another one. Here we go.
Which one was that?
Oh, we got someone taking a picture of ours. That's a good sign, right? Taking a picture of the ingredients. So, lots of good flavors we've been going around tasting on this beautiful, beautiful day. You can see there's the wheel to the island back behind us. And we're over here right across from the Mountain Mile. There's the Mountain Monster thing slingshot device if you're into thrills. And working on downtown, Flavor Town right there. So there's lots of flavors going on over here. And people are checking out our tent. That's a good sign. I haven't seen anybody spit anything out yet from us. That's good, right? I think so. All right, we're still serving it up. It is 12:54. There's just a few more minutes of voting. And my vote is for Brie. I think she's an amazing cook. So we'll see what people think of German chili, which has sauerkraut, so it's not the normal. So we'll see. Oh, he said it's good. We gotta, oh, he's going all the way back. Well, they're not spitting it out. That's always a good sign. Here's a look at some of the things you could win, the different gift baskets, gift cards, all sorts of packages for first, second, third place, along with people's choice, and along with these nice little plaques you could win. But without further ado, let's listen in to the winners.
Now for the People's Choice Award, we have number 10, Food, Fire, and So in third place, we have
Techno-taters. And second place,
the Jerky Boys.
Turkey Boys.
And the grand prize goes to Team Bentley.
So here is the winning recipe. Team Bentley over here did an awesome job. So they served kicked up pork beans with bacon, onions, sweet pepper, smoked sausage, smoked pork, Bush's baked beans, barbecue sauce, and jalapeno. This probably had the most kick with that jalapeno out of all of them. Wasn't too spicy, but it was very good. They won first place. Give you a little look inside the store here. All sorts of cast iron and cooking accessories galore inside the store. You can get your cast iron set pieces, or you can even get a thing of stone ground grits. Looks like you got a bunch of home style. This is Yoder's home style jams. All sorts of different accessories. Oh, you got the little, it's a little mini, little baby one. This is probably pretty good to clean. Your standard cast iron. Scrubbing pad. Help get that cooked on mess off. So we're in the consolation prize line.
The participation trophy.
Yes, we're getting our yeah, heck yeah, we're gonna get our participation. Ooh, look at this wedge pan.
That'd be good for cornbread.
Yeah, little cornbread wedges you could put in there. You got for little tiny muffins. Got one for corn to make a loaf. So all sorts of different cast iron goodies in the store here. I mean, they've got cast iron galore. This is bags of sourdough roux bread. So bread mix bags you can pick up. Fajita skillet. This has a nice little pad of wood to put it on after you cook up your fajitas. Can you name this fruit for $1,000? It is a what?
I don't know.
Arda.
Fruit?
You're almost there. Come on, you know the answer. Don't choke. Come on. What is this?
don't.
Huh?
No, I don't.
It's a
Arctic?
no. It's a. What am I?
I don't know.
Artichoke.
Artichoke.
We're gonna put the fake thing back on the shelf right there. There you go. Oh, look at these. Egg monsters. These are fun. Bread cutter. Ooh, all right, you know who that is, right? What's this guy? You're failing today's test here. Come on. Who is this? Mike Wazowski. Yes. Is in what movie?
Monsters Inc.
Monsters Inc. We gotta show Hannah this one.
What do you guys?
Hannah, look at this. The cat has bacon bow tie.
And birds. Okay, gotcha.
Bacon bow tie cat. You can get a brown sugar bear. I think you put these guys in with your brown sugar and it preserves them from becoming hard. So he's kind of cute. That's a good little take home for the Smoky Mountains. Get a brown sugar bear from the cast iron store for $4. He's cute. Oh, Anna spotted a pineapple. So lots of neat stuff in the store for your kitchen, for cooking, for camping. You got your tomato saver. We use one like this. Once we cut up part of a tomato. So whatever your home cooking or camping needs, there's lots of stuff in this store. Even bells to alert people you're messing with things when you're not supposed to be in the store. So they have all these gloves here. One of you guys want to try one on? Just try one. I want to see how big it is. They've got these camping stuff, massive. Whoa! That is. Where's your hand? Oh, there you go. Shaking your hand. You think that will keep your arm safe when you're cooking, when you're reaching in? That's the longest one I've ever seen. So lots of gloves. And then of course, these things are always cool. Now these are like Bass Pro. Fire fishing poles. So you put your s'mores on here and fish at the campground. So glow sticks. The handles glow in the dark. Oh, I see. That part right there at the end there, those are glow in the dark handles. You see that? That's kind of fun. How much are these? Do you see a price? What does that say? These are $3. For $3, I think these would be pretty cool as a kid. Ideal for s'mores. The glow in the dark handle. That's fun. If you're going to the Smoky Mountains, going camping, it's a good place to stop and get something neat that's more unique. A little bit cheaper than those guys over here. You can come get some glow sticks.
That's awesome, Ryan.
Wow.
Look at that.
Very cool. Ooh, look at that.
That is so
Nice.
cool.
2021 Smoky Mountains.
I love
Awesome. So we're in the store and we just picked up our participation prizes.
Yes, we
Got a little
got
baggie.
a cool bag right there.
All right.
It folds up.
Nice.
That's kind of cool. Oh, cool. We got a little cleaner, a little Lodge
Nice.
scrubber for our pan. Some scrapers. So we can clean our pan. We got a really cool trivet.
Oh, that's cute with all the little
So
pans.
cute. I love it.
Yeah.
And then this is like my favorite.
Oh, it's not
This
just
little
a
pan.
standard, but let's look at the back here.
Look at that.
Oh, wow, with the
Great
bears on there
Smoky
and the mountains. And it's got the year, Great Smoky Mountain. Oh, I love that.
I do too. This
That's
is
so
great.
cute.
And then we also got, wow, that's heavy. A cast iron griddle. Oh, look
Oh.
at that. It's a griddle. And
Nice.
it's a grill.
Very cool.
That is awesome. And we got a 5-quart Dutch oven that we already got.
Yeah, we use that in the competition. So awesome. Well, that wraps up this adventure. We had a great time as a family at this cooking competition, and Lord willing, we'll try to go back in future years. So, hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next adventure, and check out this other video right over here. Have a blessed day.